Hello, my name's Tony Daly and I'm one of the coaches and I'm also the Child Welfare Officer at Taff Ely Triathlon Club. As a club, we've been very lucky to be the recipient of more than one Sport Wales Community Chest Grant in the past, and the recent Community Chest Grant that we applied for has started to enable us to attract more ladies and hopefully girls into the club as well.
I first joined the club after going down to watch Ironman Wales. That inspired me to change from running to triathlon. And it was from there I started swimming, learning to swim from scratch, and then developing that, and then going to the cycling path, which I absolutely love.
I had wanted to try triathlon on the back of the Olympics, and running was my first love, and I just wanted to try something different to see if I could do it and challenge myself a little bit. My friend was a member already and said, come along and just see what you think. I found the club very friendly. And I just kept coming back, trying to push myself a little bit, and the encouragement from the other club members I found really helpful.
Since 2012, the club has started to exponentially grow really since the Olympic Games. It brought a lot more people into the sport of triathlon. What we noticed in the beginning was a lot more ladies wanted to come into the club and start to take part, and we had a majority of male coaches. So yeah, the money's allowed us to put more ladies through the training.
I hadn't thought about coaching. I was approached by one of the head coaches on a running session, and he said, would you consider doing it? I hadn't. And then I thought, the more I thought about it, I thought, okay, so I knew my friend Donna had already done one, and I thought with her encouragement and support, I thought I'd have a go at it. I did the course, met fantastic people, and I now teach my own swim sessions.
When I first came to the club, there weren't actually that many women taking part in the sport. So I thought it would be good to inspire other women to come to the sport as well. So I had a lot of support from the coaches, and it was good to have an idea how the club is set up and what it takes to actually keep the club going as well.
It is quite difficult to walk into a place when you're not sure of what you're doing and what you're capable of as well. We had one female coach, and she did teach my lane, and I did find that really helpful. So I did think, when I was approached to do the coaching, I thought that I could give back on that because I knew how I benefited from having her support. And since I've been coaching and you're trying to encourage, I've noticed that there is an increase in the members, and we have a girls club because we don't always ride as fast as the men. We're not as competitive as the men, and I find they're a lot more supportive of each other within an environment that nobody will laugh at you, and I found that extremely helpful.